Come join me for my first ride ever on Boulder Dash here at Lake Compounce. All right, guys, here we are, Boulder Dash. This was ranked recently as the number 7 wooden coaster in the world by Golden Ticket. So. Yeah, we got that little sense of danger. It's exciting. Oh God, here we go. We're headed down not only the hill, but like a mountain. Here we go. Nice little ride for sure. Would I put it above Ghost Rider? No, I don't think so. In fact, I don't think I'd put it above Ravine Flyer too either, but it's definitely worthy of being on that list, right around that range. I don't see a problem with that at all. After it warmed up and I got a chance to ride it at night, it moved up my list, and it is my 3rd favorite night ride of all time.